Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your site. Do a quick DB export and file backup so mistakes are reversible. Once done, log into WordPress admin and open plugins, right arrow add new. Search for Breadcrumb plugin name or simply Breadcrumb. Make sure you pick one with recent updates and good ratings. This avoids conflicts. Install the plugin now, then activate it, don't pause. After activation, move straight into the plugin settings to begin basic configuration. You'll now configure how breadcrumbs look and where they behave. In Settings, set the separator, home label, and whether to show current page. Next, select post types and taxonomies to include so your category and archive structure maps correctly. Once satisfied, integrate. Either paste the provided shortcode into templates or insert the PHP snippet, usually in header, PHP or single. PHP. Make sure to use a child theme when editing files. Test several pages to confirm placement and hierarchy. Finish by clearing any caching layers and checking breadcrumbs on desktop and mobile to ensure responsive layout. If the plugin offers schema, org markup, verify the structured data with your testing tool so search engines read it correctly. If breadcrumbs don't appear, make sure your theme calls the correct hook or template location and that you place the shortcode /php in the right file. If still missing, deactivate other plugins to spot conflicts. That single test usually reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.